Hi folks, another catalogue video as I'm trying to upload all of my Airfix catalogues onto YouTube, and today we're going to be looking at the Airfix catalogue 1987. Yes, another video, and I'm going to be trying to put all of the catalogues I have in my collection on YouTube. This one here is only a few pages. It's a very small catalogue, but we thought I'd get into it with this one. If you don't like the music, turn the volume down, and if you see anything that you like, just click pause. It is recorded in 4K, so you should be able to blow it up nice and big and see what's on the pages. But basically, this is the range from Airfix from 1987. There you are, folks, 23 pages of minimal kits, to be honest. And, you know, I think this was in the era when they were in and out, if you know what I mean. They brought out these sort of box arts with the photographs, and, you know, they didn't really inspire you to build a model. There were some drawings and, or I should say, artistic representations of kits on some of them, but basically there was not a lot that you could really aspire to. It was strange as well because they were mostly 1/72 scale kits. There was only 4 1/48 scale kits plane wise. That was the Spitfire, the Hurricane, the Sea Harrier, and the new Mosquito, which they had here. They did have the Apache Mind in 1/48, but other than that, it was mostly 1/72 when it come to flight. They had 1/44 scale planes. They had their ships in 1/600 scale. Tank wise, it was 00 gauge or 1/76, 1/72 scale. And then they had all their figures in 1/72 and in 1/32 scale. But that was it. They had the special edition Modern Airlines. To be honest with you, it was very, very poor. They did have the cars in 1/32 scale, which would be nice to see back in the range at some point, whether it's a vintage classic. They had all their ships that they have, I believe, were the what I call the sail ships. But then they did release the Top Gun, which, funnily enough, Airfix released, was it 3 or 4 years ago when Top Gun first came out as Maverick? When they re-released, but basically it was that box art as well on a lot of these kits. So yeah, very, very strange, that strange year from Airfix. But again, I had to film it because I'm trying to get all of my catalogues onto YouTube so that you can go back and see what's been released at certain years. There's some sort of like library for you. Like I said, short video, and that's it from me. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you are enjoying the content on this channel, can I ask a favour? Will you consider being a subscriber? All you have to do is click subscribe, ring that bell, and if you click all, you'll be notified when I release a new video, and it really helps the channel if you are a subscriber. Huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. We do have a live stream on a Thursday just for channel members where we work off the bench, talk about scale modelling and generally have a laugh. Any questions or any comments about this catalogue, please leave them in the comments box below because I do reply. In one of the four corners will be a video or a playlist of other content on my channel. Have a great week and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.